How to open group tabs on Opera GX. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open group tabs on Opera GX. To open and use group tabs in Opera GX, first of all you need to enable workspace. For that, open your Opera GX on your device and at the left sidebar you will be able to see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon and in the search bar type in workspace. You will get the related search results below. Here find this enable workspace option. At the right side of this option, you will see a toggle button. Go ahead and tap on this toggle button to switch it on. Once you have switched it on, at the left side in the sidebar, you will be able to see this workspace icon. Now you can close your settings tab and right click on this workspace. From this drop down, click on manage workspace and you will be presented with this side menu. In this menu here you will be able to see add more option. Click on this add more and here type in the name for your workspace. You can also choose the icon based on your preference. After that click on create here. Once doing that you can see you have successfully created workspace. You can create as many workspaces as you want by simply following the steps. Now after creating the workspace, now create the tabs. Click on the plus icon at the top and open your tabs. Now you need to choose the tabs. Here click on one of the tabs first and then press Ctrl key of your keyboard. Now press on another tab. By doing so you can see at the top both the tabs have been selected. Now right click on it and you will be able to see this menu. From this drop down menu here you will find this move to workspace option. Hover your cursor over it and select the workspace where you'd like to group them. Click on the workspace and now whenever you click on the workspace, you will be able to see the group tabs at the top. You can follow the same steps to create more tabs and group them. So by following the steps, you should be able to group tabs on Opera GX. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.